विसावप्र न्यूकार गोंय इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ पब्लीक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आनी रुरल डेव्हलपमेंटान महसूल खात्याच्या जोडपालवान महसूल अधिकाऱ्यां खातीर प्रशिक्षण कार्यावळीचें आयोजन केल्लें. महसूल खात्यान लोकां खातीर बऱ्यो उत्तम दर्जाच्यो सुविधा दिवच्यो म्हण आमची अपेक्षा आसा अशें महसूल मंत्री खंवटे उलयला. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Each one has a role to play to ensure streamlining of issues, having effective delivery of services, and at the same time ensuring that each office is a public office which is able to deliver effective services to the public. ताज्या खातीर नवे आयडिया जे लास्ट 1.5 वर्सां खंय कोणाक कमी पडल्या, लायक पार्टिशन जेन्ना आमी केलां with adjoining boundaries reforms, it is a retrospective effect. But there are office to office issues, so SOP is being created for this type of new procedural aspects. A lot of things will be discussed today and the things taken ahead. All in all, was Sarkar under Shri Manohar Parrikar is a government for the common people. आणि ह्या सर्वसामान्य लोकांची काळजी घेतली जाल्यार महसूल खातें खूब म्हत्वाचें जाता आनी महसूल खातें बरें काम करतलें जाल्यार असले प्रोग्राम्स आमी इंटरनल प्रोग्राम्स आतां स्टार्ट केल्ले आसा जातून इफेक्टीव सर्विसीस टू द कॉमन पीपल वील बी देर. IT एनेबल सिस्टम्स घेवन आमी खुबशे प्रोसिजरली वी आर स्ट्रीमलायनिंग लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड इन दीस एस्पेक्ट वी एक्सपेक्ट की एज रेवन्यू डिपार्टमेंट वॉज द फर्स्ट to come under the simplification of procedure the right to time bound service act. We expect revenue department to perform and give effective services and the new reforms to the public. As revenue department has organized a soft skill program along with the implementation of new reforms what we have taken the last 1.5 years to create more awareness within the public, where whether it's the role of the Mamlatdar, deputy collector, additional collector or the ISLR or the collectors, whole day program is organized for this whole team of revenue department where these respective heads jatun whether it is a mutation, whether it's partition, whether it is alwara, whether it is other reforms which we have taken in the last 1 year, regularization effectively कशें करपाचें, soft skills कशें develop करपाचें, लोकां कडेन how we need to actually have the public sentiments taken in being a public servant more than a government servant. I think a lot of things will be discussed today